go.
Alright, so this is how to assemble the Frontier All Tools 4.5 ball and place Recedo dissolvable plug. This is the plug. Each plug is going to come in a box and it's going to be in a bag, and you will see set screws. Each plug comes with set screws and spring, and the plug has a ball stem which gives us the ball in place. So I'll show you guys how to assemble it. So this is a plug, and we'll have a tension mandrel, we have a setting sleeve, and we also have a dummy Baker 10. So you get your Baker 10 ready on location, grease the tread, and all you have to do now is grab the setting sleeve and make it up. Make up the setting sleeve to the dummy Baker 10. Just snug it up. It's gonna bump. You don't have to do anything to it. Don't have to use pipe wrench. And get the set screw that comes in the bag. And you need 3 set screws for the setting sleeve. I'm only gonna use 1 or 2, but put all 3 set screws in the setting sleeve to tighten it up to the Baker 10. So tighten it all the way down. The next thing we're going to do is the tension mandrel has about 6 holes. The top holes are for bleed off, the bottom holes is for your set screw. So take your set screw and preload them. Don't tighten it all the way, just preload it in there. Again, you want to put it in the bottom holes. Top hole is for bleed off. Okay? So now we have the set screw in there. You grab your spring. This is your spring. And you want to put it on top of the tension mandrel. So put it on top and turn it in. It's going to go in. You can use a piece of rag and just try to tie it in. Until it flushes. Okay, so now we have our spring, we have our set screws preloaded. Now this is the tricky part, or this is the most important part. You want to take this tension mandrel and you want to load it up with grease. Make sure you fill this up with sheet load of grease. If you don't have enough grease in there, it's going to be a pain to get this out when it comes out of the hole. So make sure you have sheet load of grease in this tension mandrel. Don't feel bad about it. Make sure there's a lot of grease. Alright, now we have our grease in there. Take your tension mandrel, you make it up to the ball stem. Just plug it in, just turn it. It's okay for the grease to come out of those weep holes. That's fine. That's what you want. You take the excess grease out. Make it up all the way till it bumps. When it bumps, you feel it. Again, take the excess grease out. Very easy to assemble. So now you can check, make sure that you can hit the ball stem with your Allen wrench. Okay? So all you have to do now is screw those, tighten those set screw to the ball stick. Just keep screwing it until it tightens. Okay? Make sure it's tight. This is what connects your Baker setting to the plug. Alright? So now we're ready to assemble this. Just grab the plug. And you see this spring right here? You line it up with the notch in the Baker setting tool. And if you look at the hole, you can see the notch right there. Line it up and you start spinning it in. Okay? Just spin it in. Alright, so we'll just keep going. It's tight. Again, that's pretty much it. Now you can take, so we have